Please stand up. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Sit down, thanks. Okay, now let's choose a picture. Everyone. That's all. Please choose it. Okay. Please stand up and please sit. Same picture, students sit. One table. This table is the Kazim. This table is the Redeemer. Okay. This table is the Power. Okay. What is the date today? 10 of May. What day is it?
Wednesday.
What are these?
Lesson rules.
Lesson rules. Okay. Now let's read everyone.
Help each other.
Okay, good. What does be on time mean in Mongolian?
Tiger.
Okay, be active. Okay, help each other. Okay. Okay. This is today's lesson objectives. Okay, now let's read everyone.
Students will be able to know the different places of the world. Students will be able to use their speech positive statements.
Okay, good. Do you understand this sentence? The students will be able to know the different places of the world. 자, 그럼 너도 수학시켜 띄워주세요. 느낌, 뭘, 밑에 잡는데 뭐. 자, 다음은 report speech. 아시다 수학네. Okay. Now, all the students, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now, I read a text. Listen carefully and imagine that situation. Close your eyes and imagine you are on an airplane. You look out of the window and see the clouds. The plane is arriving at the airport in London. You walk out of the airport. You catch a taxi and go to the center of the city. First, what can you see in the center of city? Then you will go from London to Rome. What can you see in Rome? And you will go to Paris. What can you see in Paris? You go to Sydney. What can you see in Sydney? You go to India on an airplane. What can you see in Agra city? You will go to America. What can you see in New York City? You go to Peru. What can you see in Peru? Finally, you will go to Qabi province. What can you see? Qabi National Park. Okay. Open your eyes. Right. What did you see? That countries and cities. Please write. Who wants to tell what can we see bad countries? Who wants to say? Please raise your hand. Teacher,
May I say some of them?
some of them. Okay. What?
I can see the Eiffel Tower and I can see the Big Bang in London.
Ah.
Also, I can see the Opera Theatre in Sydney.
Okay, good. Okay. Good job. Thanks. Who wants to say? Please raise your hand. What can you see in India? What can you see in America?
I can see the Taj Mahal in India. Also, I can see the Statue of Liberty in America.
Okay, good. Okay, what can you see in province? Okay, good. Thanks, students. Okay. Please look at the desktop. Let's see it. Okay, what is it?
It is London.
London? Okay, London. What? Okay, good. Tower of London. Please repeat after me. Tower of London.
Tower of London.
Okay. Say again. Tower of London.
Tower of London.
Okay, good. What is it? Okay. Des Coliseum. Des Coliseum. Okay. Say again. Des Coliseum. Okay, good. What is it?
Statue of Liberty.
Okay, good. Liberty statue.
Liberty statue.
Good. Say again. Liberty statue.
Liberty statue.
Okay, good. What is it?
Taj Mahal.
Okay. The Taj Mahal.
The Taj Mahal.
Okay, say again.
The Taj Mahal.
Okay, good. What is it?
Sydney.
Sydney. Okay, Sydney City. Okay. This is Sydney Opera House.
Opera House.
Please, everyone. Sydney Opera House.
Sydney Opera House.
Say again.
Sydney Opera House.
Okay, good. What is it?
Umrah.
Province. It is Yallingham.
Yallingham.
Yallingham. Okay. What is it?
Eiffel Tower.
Apple.
Good. Eiffel Tower. Tower of Eiffel.
Tower of Eiffel.
Say again.
Tower of Eiffel.
Okay, good. Okay. Who wants to write these words, this place's name on the board? Please raise your hand. Who wants to write? Okay. Please write together. Please say to me. First picture.
Tower of London.
Tower of okay, London. Next.
Colosseum.
The scene.
Sydney Opera House.
Sydney Opera House. Okay. Next. Okay, the
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Yallingham. Tower of Eiffel.
Tower of State.
Tower of
Tower of
I'm sorry. Tower. Okay, next. Next.
Liberty Statue.
Liberty. A statue. Liberty statue. Now, this. Read again.
Tower of London.
Colosseum.
Colosseum. Sydney Opera House. Taj Mahal. Yallingham. Tower of Eiffel. Liberty Statue.
Okay, good. Now let's write your words in the notebook. Okay, are you done? Okay, good. Okay. Have you ever seen the Sydney Opera House?
Yeah.
Please say a good sentence.
I have seen Sydney Opera
I have.
House.
Okay.
I have seen
I have ever seen
Sydney Opera House.
house. Okay. Okay. She said to me. She said to me. She
had
had
ever seen the Sydney Opera House.
This is, I have ever seen the Sydney Opera House. This is direct speech. What does direct speech mean in Mongolian? Shodere. Okay. She said to me she had ever seen the Sydney Opera House. This is reported speech. Okay. What does reported speech mean in Mongolian? Damere. Okay. Good. She told me she had ever seen the Taj Mahal. Okay. She said that she had ever seen the Kazim. Okay. Now, do you understand?
Yeah.
Me, this is object. And to me, but told me. Don't use preposition. Okay, and she said that no object. She had ever seen the Buddhism. You understand? Okay. Told me, said to me, object, preposition, and said that. No object, no preposition. Okay? Okay. Now let's work in pairs. Please work in pairs. Ask and answer each other. Use, have you ever seen? Okay. And have you ever seen? Work in pairs. Please work in pairs. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Have you? Ask each other. Okay. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen? There? No. Ever. And answer. And? Please work in person. Work in person. Please. Please work in person.
Have you ever seen?
Please ask me. Oh, yes, I have ever seen the Tower of London. Please repeat me and use the record the speech. Say, Father, please ask.
Have you ever seen
I have ever seen.
Okay. Please use report speech. He said.
me? He had ever seen Tower of London.
Okay, good. Please work in pairs. Please ask and answer each other.
Have you ever seen
I have ever seen in Turkey.
Uh-huh. Okay. American, please. Tell me. Please loudly. Say loudly. He said to me. He told me. Uh-huh. She said to me. She told me. And she said that he said to me he had ever seen Machu Picchu. Okay, good. Say again. Say again.
He told me. He told me
Uh-huh.
he had
He had ever seen
seen
Machu Picchu. Okay, please ask and answer.
Have you ever seen Yapina? Have you ever seen Yapina?
Ever seen? Uh-huh.
She told me that she had ever seen Yapina.
Okay, good. She told me, and no use that. She told me.
She told
Uh-huh. She had ever seen. Yeah. Okay, good. Please.
she said
Ask and answer.
she had ever seen.
장갑. Please. Say loudly. Say together. Yes, I have. Yes, I have
Yes, I have
ever seen
seen
the Liberty statue.
statue.
Okay, statue. Okay, please say to me. For answer, use report the speech.
He told me he had ever seen the Liberty Statue.
Okay, good. Good. Please.
Have you ever seen?
I have ever seen.
I have ever seen.
What picture? That is a Liberty statue. Say Liberty statue.
I have ever seen the Liberty Statue.
Please.
I have ever seen.
Now use report speech. He said that. Liberty statue. Okay, good. Please ask and answer. Please say loudly.
Have you ever seen the Opera House?
Uh-huh.
I have seen.
I have ever seen.
I have ever seen the
Okay.
She said to me she had ever seen the Opera House.
Okay, very good. Good, thanks. Please ask and answer each other. Have you ever seen what picture? Machu Picchu.
I have ever seen. Have you ever seen?
May ask each of them.
Have you ever seen in India?
Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Please ask again.
Have you ever seen in the Taj Mahal?
Uh-huh. Okay, please say to me her answer. Use reported speech.
He said to me,
Mm-hmm.
he had ever seen the Taj Mahal.
Okay, good. Good job. Thanks. Okay, please ask and answer.
Have you ever seen Tower of Eiffel? I have never seen the Tower of Eiffel.
Okay.
He said to me he had ever seen Tower of Eiffel.
Okay, good. Good job. Thanks. Please ask and answer.
Have you ever seen
Machu Picchu. Okay, good. I have. Mm-hmm. Ever seen Machu Picchu. Okay, good. Please say it to me.
She told
Mm-hmm. Me.
me
Mm-hmm.
she had ever seen Machu Picchu.
Okay, good. Thanks. Good job. Okay. All the students, good job. Thanks. Now let's write your answer and question in the notebook. Thanks. Good job. Good job. Good job. Thanks. Good job. Good job. Thanks. Good job. Okay, now let's look at the example of the main change in the tenses. Direct speech, present perfect. Reported speech, past perfect tense. Okay? Past perfect, past perfect. For example, he said, I'll live here for a long time. Reported speech, he said that he had lived there for a long time. Okay? Okay, now let's write. Okay. You. Okay, now let's look at LCD and listen carefully. Okay. What are these?
Wonders of
This is the
Wonders?
the world.
seven wonders.
What wonders?
Seven.
New
New.
seven wonders of the world. Okay. Who want to say that seven wonders name? Please say.
Colosseum
Colosseum,
and
Colosseum.
Tristar Timor.
Christ, Redeemer.
Christ,
Christ.
The Machu Picchu,
Okay.
Taj Mahal, and the Egypt pyramid,
Egypt.
Egypt,
Pyramid.
and
Great Wall of
Wall of China, and
Chicken. Itza.
chicken.
Okay, that's all. Good, thanks. Quiz. Okay. Okay, what are these?
Some wonders of the
Of the
world.
world. Okay. Okay, now let's work in group. Now let's work in group. These are texts. Please read and match picture and text. Okay? Okay. Wow. Good job. Excellent. Please eat. Are you done? Please raise your hand. First, group, Redeemer, finish. Good. Good job. Please. Thanks. Good job. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Thanks. Are you done? Okay, English channel. What is it? Statue.
This is a gift of USA.
Please say on the name. What is it?
Statue of
Okay, good. Timurjan. What is it?
This is Genghis statue.
Okay. Okay. What is it? What is it? Good. Thanks.
Fire.
What is it? Very good. Okay. Ateko. What is it? Good. Okay, good. Thanks. Good. Okay. Now let's use whiteboard. I ask and write my questions answer on the whiteboard and raise. Do you understand? Yeah. Okay, good. Good. Listen carefully.
What's your pen?
Listen carefully.
Where is
the Colosseum? Where is the Colosseum? Please write answer. Okay. And please whiteboard. No. Italy. Okay, good. Good students. Good. Okay, next question. Next question. Please listen carefully.
Try again first question. Try again first question.
Uh-huh. Where is the Colosseum? Okay, next question. Where is the Christ Redeemer? Where is the Christ Redeemer? Christ Redeemer. Brazil. Okay, good. Brazil.
Rio de Janeiro.
Please raise white for same time. Okay. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Okay. Rome in Brazil city.
Rio de Janeiro.
Brazil. Good. Okay. Next question. What country is Liberty statue?
American
located?
New York.
Please write. Okay, USA. Okay. America. New York City. Okay, good. USA. Good. Please use this.
Where is my water pen?
Okay, next question. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. What is the name of this building located in India? What is the name of this building?
Taj Mahal.
Okay, good. Taj Mahal. Wow. Good, student. Excellent. Please raise your whiteboard. Taj Mahal. Okay, good. Good, students. Okay, next. Which nature wonder place is located in Omanbabe province? Okay, y'all think okay, good. Where is the Eiffel Tower?
Paris.
Okay, good. Okay, have break time. Have break time. Thank you for paying attention. My lesson. Have break time.